Hey everyone, let's make two daisy flowers with two color of yarn here, and then we will need this and also hakpen number 10. Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's begin with magic ring by loop the yarn around your fingers and make it cross like this. Don't forget to hold the yarn with your thumb and insert the hook and make a chain like this with the same yarn. Okay, we have made a magic ring, and now let's continue by making a half double crochet like this. Okay, yarn over and pull through. Let's make a 5 half double crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through like this. Okay, continue by making remaining 2 half double crochet. So in the first row we will have a 5 half double crochet for 5 petals. Okay, 5 half double crochet, and this is the last half double crochet for this row. And don't forget to close the ring like this and join the last half double crochet with the first half double crochet with slip stitch. Okay, we will do a slip stitch here, insert the hakpen, and also we can use a 2 strand, and then yarn over and pull through. Okay, this is the last of the first row, or row number 1, and then let's continue by making 5 chain stitch. This 3, 4 and 5 chain stitch, and we will make a 10 loop for the first petals. So wrap the hakpen or wrap the hook and make 10 loops on the same place, or the first half double crochet that we've made. Is 1 and 2. Okay, and 3, and continue by making a 10 loop for the first petals on the same place. One more. 10. Okay. After that, as you see, this is the first loop, and this is the entire loop. Then yarn over, 2 loops, then so yarn over. Okay, we have 1 petals, and add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, and put it on the first chain. Okay, this and do the slip stitch. So, oops, so the slip stitch, and then let's move the second chain. So 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 chain. The second chain is here, so we will make like this. Okay, second chain. So we will make slip stitch, and then add 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and then 1 loops, 2 loops. Okay, 8 9 10. And then this is the first loop, and this is the entire loop. And don't forget to yarn over. We have 2 loops here, and then okay, we have 2 petals. Add 1 2 3 4 5, and then here doing the slip stitch, then doing this for next 1 2 3 chain until like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, no 5 then do the slip stitch, then we have 9, but here, then but I want to make this, so this chain, this, so I need an additional chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 until 60, I mean. Okay. Then yeah, we have made this. Also add this. We will make alright, then we will make this, and then add 1 more step. Yeah. Okay, we have made this. I will Okay. And we will use this for the next pattern, or like this. Okay. And then okay, usually we will doing this here and here, and then yarn, here, like this at 5. I'm chain 1, 2, we can use this, 3, 4, 5 chain like this. And then as we can see, we have this yarn doing loop, 10 loop like this on here. 1, 2, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. Right. 10. Like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we have this and this. Now we will use this by pick a bow like this. Okay, and one more. And this one. This. Okay.